Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you add fonts to Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, to add fonts in Adobe Premiere Pro, all you need to do is just install the font. So I have just installed this Montserrat Roboto form. Here you can see there are some fonts here. If I want to add this font Roboto Thin, I just need to click it and click on install. Here you can see Roboto Thin open type. Just install it and go to your Premiere Pro. Now just type anything. Like this. Now you can just change this font. Click on effect controls, and here you can see the font is here. If you click on it and if you just click on the font name, as you can see the Roboto Thin is here. If you just click on it, the font is changed. I have already installed another font, Roboto Thin Italic. As you can see, if you just install font on your PC, it will be automatically on your Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.